This is Vic, and today is May 30th, 2021. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite subjects concerning the electric hybrid vehicles, and that is regenerative braking. Now, what is regenerative braking? Regenerative braking is power being fed back into the battery or the power supply when it is not needed. And that is the electric motor that was driving the wheels to maintain speed begins to behave as a small generator while the vehicle is in motion. This causes the vehicle to slow down because now that motor that was turning the wheels is no longer trying to keep the wheels turning. It's actually putting a load on the wheels. So that causes the car to slow down while it's generating power back into the power supply, hence the term regenerative braking. Pressing the brakes is not needed for regenerative braking to go into effect. Slightly reducing pressure on the accelerator will cause regenerative braking to go into effect slightly. Removing your foot off the accelerator will maximize regenerative braking. Both situations will be seen in this video. In my particular vehicle, a visual indication on the dash is a minus sign in front of the number. That is the number below total power. Regenerative braking is in effect. You see a minus sign when regenerative braking is in effect. Like right now, as you see the still screen, it's showing a negative in front of 18. So it's 18 kW being fed back into the power supply or the batteries. Okay, normally when you're just driving under normal driving conditions, when you're maintaining speed, it's going to show how much power is being pulled from the power supply or the batteries. There will be no negative number there. Different manufacturers will show the same information in different ways. I've seen one car that shows it as it's a moving graphic. The graphic will change direction. Having the negative sign in front of the number is a more direct way for me, and I like it better. Okay, this video is going to have two portions of it. In the first portion of the video, I maintain approximately 27 to 30 miles per hour while moving in traffic with the flow of traffic. I'm varying the pressure on the pedal on purpose for demonstration to ensure that regenerative braking does come on while I'm recording the video. You will notice that the vehicle speed is going to vary accordingly. I'll go ahead and play that video now. And you see the total power varies. Sometimes it's negative, sometimes it's not. And the only reason that regenerative braking is coming into effect is because I'm either pressing on the accelerator pedal or removing pressure from the accelerator pedal. But I'm not, yes, or removing pressure from the accelerator pedal. Okay, now, let me pause it just a second. Okay, now in this next section of the video, I'm traveling on the highway, and I'm traveling at highway speeds, and I'm about to get onto an off ramp, and I do not, during the portion of this recording, I do not touch the brakes at all. I remove my foot from the accelerator pedal. I take it completely off. You see regenerative braking is going to be much, much higher this time than it was in the first part of the video. And with that being said, I will play this now. At this point, I'm still maintaining 75 miles per hour. My total power is 5 kW. Well, total power is now going up. I'm drawing power. I'm still maintaining about 74 miles an hour. Okay. 75 now. Now you will see the total power kW with a negative sign in front of it once I take my foot off of the accelerator pedal. I am not taking my foot off of the brake. Or I'm not pressing on the brake. Okay, now I stopped recording. I stopped recording my driving session. This is where I stopped recording my driving session. And when I stopped recording, it was showing 21 kW, and there was a negative sign in front of 21, indicating that regenerative braking was in effect. Now, I did not have my foot on the brake at this point. The only thing that I had done once again was I removed my foot off of the accelerator pedal. If you talk to any any EV driver, they will tell you regenerative braking. Naturally, we have to still put our foot on the brake pedal in order to come to a stop. However, most of us, you ask any experienced EV driver, most of us will employ or use regenerative braking to slow down or modulate our speed as necessary in order to not use our brakes as much, in order to reduce the wear and tear on our brake and our braking systems and their components. And that's it. That's just another way that driving on electricity can save money. Thank you for watching.